Ano po yan, Daddy?
Kasuwanari. Kasuwari.
Sawari. Daddy, the parrot.
Oh, nakarap parrot.
I mean, that's an eagle.
Nakakarap dito. Matukarap. Kayo.
Ang babae po ganito yung itsura. Walang pinakita sa kanila.
Huwag mo ano.
Ano yan?
Pati. Payat, oh. Hindi kumakain.
Uy, wag mo po. Wag.
Hindi, pipicture.
Picture lang tayo, ma'am. Tingin lang po kayo sa camera mo. Magsama kayo, ma'am. Lapit po eh. Sige po, lapit po. Okay, ma'am. Tingin dito, kuya. Tingin lang po sa camera po. Tingin, kuya. Kuya, camera, kuya. Kuya. Lapit po. Kuya. Hey, wala akong choice.
Is Larry, our townspeople or locally known as Sibo ang sa Tagalog.
Musa.
Musa. Alright, Musa. Just like our Scots, our friend, he is at night looking for his food, so his eyesight is also excellent in the dark. But specialty is
lumber that'll never rot and help save trees. Yes, everyone, please, let's help save trees because they're all human. All right, thank you so much, guys. Come on, let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you, plastic bottles, and come take your turn. And speaking of balance,
Ganda.
Dito sa kabila. Oh, ayan o, pating o. Hoy, wag kang papasok
Totoo
dyan.
yan.